What's happening, internet world, YouTube, Facebook? Hope everybody's just doing awesome this evening or morning or whenever you're watching this. Pardon, it's a shop Band-Aid right there. Sliced the crap out of my finger, so little stucco tape and it's all good. So the title of this is Don't Let Unicorns Affect Your Reality. And I know that sounds like I've been tripping on the acid if I'm looking at unicorns, but here's what I mean by this. And I see a lot of guys fall into this trap. If you score a big project, if you score a unicorn, for lack of a better term, remember, unicorns are very, very rare. Well, technically, unicorns are fictitious. Let's just say they're real, but they're very, very rare. So I'm holding in my hand a stack of purchase orders, address, name, contacts blanked out. We had an odd thing happen to us over the past month, and we had about $200,000 worth of purchase orders come in.